So first we're going to draw a little cross like so. Keep your pencil marks quite light. Then an eye shape over your cross like so. Then I need you to do a little curve like that inside the eye shape and another one there. Then I need you to draw a little arch like that on this side and the same on the other side. And then a little line inside the arch and the same on the other side. Then a triangle in the middle of the little cross you drew, and one little smile and two little smiles. Then I need you to draw an arch there and one on the other side. And then bring it round to touch the bottom of your cross and the same on the other side. And then a little circle inside this part and a little circle inside the other one. Then a circle here and a circle there. Then draw 3 lines on this side, 1, 2, 3. Longer one at the top, shorter one in the middle, and then a shorter one at the bottom. I think maybe you'll guess what we might be drawing. Then the next thing I need you to do is draw an egg shape like that. Then a line straight down the middle from the cross that you drew at the start. And then a line from here down and one from there down, and then circle at the bottom like so. Then I need you to draw a triangle bring it down and join it at the bottom. Then the next thing I need you to do is make the line dark here and a line dark down there. And make it darker down here. Then a circular shape, almost like an arch, like so. And then the same inside that and curve it at the end. Then I need you to draw a little hump shape like that and bring it in, and another little hump shape like that and bring it in. And that's pretty much your cat. So what you now need to do is take a rubber, rub out these lines here. That's why I wanted the pencils to be light. Then we need to smooth things off a bit. So curve this maybe a wee bit more. Bring that round. Rub this bit out. Bring this down and this bit down. And then you can play with your drawing. So I'm going to give this a wee shading on this edge of the ear. A bit of shading there. Curve that up and that. Bring it round, take that wee line out there and there. And just extend the ear down. Darken up his eyes. His little nose. Give him his bigger smile and his darker whiskers. Maybe colour in his tail a bit.